Today, you will see how I'm able to make that thick, creamy, quintessential ranch dressing without using any dairy. Now, one of my favorite ways of eating this is just dipping some vegetables in it and just having a snack. It's a good way for me to not overdo it with chips and things like that. So let's give this a try. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Better than the store bought, even. So good, so creamy. You won't even know that there's no dairy in this. It's incredible. So, like always, remember I also have an MS fundraiser in my description as well. The recipe is down in the description. And also, if you sign up for my newsletter, you will get free access to all of my recipes that I personally use in a Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what some of your other guilty pleasures are when it comes to snacking that you can actually have that are a little bit guilt free, even though it's still that guilty pleasure. And like always, stay disrespectful.